Alright, welcome back to Griddle Grub, and today we are going to be making a breakfast quesadilla. Yeah, it's going to be another nice, simple, easy cook, quick video, and yeah, let's bring you in and check out these ingredients. So here's what we got. I'm going to try and stay in front of the sun. Got a glare coming in, nice and early this morning. We got some breakfast sausage. We got about a third of a large sweet onion, two small size jalapeños, and about half of a green bell pepper. We got Chihuahua jalapeno cheese. Oh no, this isn't jalapeno, it's just regular Chihuahua cheese. We got 3 eggs scrambled up. I put a little salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and heavy whipping cream in that to fluffen them up. Then we got chili garlic sauce I'm going to put on there as well as burrito shells. So yeah, I'm going to get this Blackstone warmed up and get this cooking. Alright, I'm going to get this sausage on first here. Just a little bit of this. Yep. I'm going to get some oil warming up over here, so I can throw my veggies over here. Let's just let that go for a few. Let that get going. I'm going to let this warm up over here, and then I'll get these veggies on, and yeah, I'll bring you right back. All right, so this sausage is cooking up good. Let's just leave that. Let's get these veggies on here. Oh yeah. All right, let them sit and go. All right, there we go, that's that. Now let's flip this sausage. Oh yeah, this is just about done. Yep. Let that go again. Now let's flip these around. Now I put a bunch of salt and pepper in the eggs, so I'm not gonna add any more to the veggies and whatnot. All right, we're good. Let's just let that go. I'm gonna bring you guys back when I am getting ready to get the eggs on, which is probably just gonna be a minute or so. So yeah, I'll bring you right back. All right, so the sausage is done. The veggies are done. Got me. Just sprinkle them up a little bit. And let's move them up over here. Alright, let's get this ready for some eggs. Get you back out of there. Alright. Now, just make a little hole in the middle. I'm going to put a little bit more oil right here. Alright, let's dump these eggs. Come on, baby, I want all of that. Alright, there we go. Get back here. Let's go. Alright, so leave that right here. Let's just, oh yeah, look at that. So that's good. Alright, now I'm going to get a little, let that cook up, put a little oil right over here. This is where I'm going to put the quesadilla. Alright, let that go. Get back to this. Yes, look at that. Now I'm going to kill the heat. So the only one I have on is this one on low, all the way low. Alright. let that keep going. Oh, all right. Simple as that. All right, here we go. Let's get this tortilla on. I've got a plate here. Gonna need that cheese. Come on. There we go. All right, cheese. We got that Chihuahua cheese we're gonna throw on here. All right. Let's just get this on. Right there. Yep. All right, there we go. Let's just get that on there. Now let's throw some eggs on here. Let's mix these up again. Oh yeah. There we go. Just put some all over. Now I am not going to be eating this all by myself. This is a lot of quesadilla. Yeah, not all for me. All right, veggies. All right. Yes, that looks amazing. All right, got some extra veggies. Let's throw a little bit of this on here. Oh. It gets stuck in this bottle. All right, we're good. We're good. Cheese on top. All right, boom, another tortilla right on top. There we have it. That's a big one. All right, I'm gonna let that cook up for a couple minutes and then I'll bring you back when I flip it. All right guys, I think the other side is good. I'm gonna try and give it a flip. Had to get the big boy out. This thing is pretty massive. Oh, nice flip. Yep, that's good. Oh yeah. Let that other one cook up. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, I'm gonna bring it back when I'm done with that and get it off. All right, now I'm gonna just cut this thing right on here. Just gonna cut it like a pizza. Not all the way in like 8 pieces, but rather 4. Oh yeah, nice and crusty. I like it like that. A little crust on there. Never hurt nobody. All right, let's go ahead and pull a piece of this off. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah. All right. And gotta bring you guys in for this. So that's what I'm looking at. That's that bite I'm gonna take right there. Yeah, look at that. That looks pretty good. All right, let's try this bad boy. All right, let's give this thing a try. Man, them close-up pictures, that looked amazing. Look at that. Oh, you can see all that cheese is melted nice. I got some of that chili garlic sauce on that first bite. Here we go. Ooh, hot. Mm. Ooh, that was hot. So first thing, like the crunchiness of the shell, I like that. That's good. perfect. It wasn't overdone, like real hard. Just a nice crust to it. Then the chili garlic sauce, the creaminess from that cheese, the crunchiness from the veggies. Had that each time I bit down. Not a lot of egg in that bite. Oh yeah, perfect. That's perfect. I might just eat this whole thing. Might have to tell the wife make something else, because this is really good. All right, well, that's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you staying along, and smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like watching the video, or no, it's subscribe, watch another video. So yeah, I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.